Buckle up. It is going to be another wet one this afternoon. Already some raindrops on the Linz up in Ocala as the skies are starting to darken, dumping heavy rain and triggering our first thunderstorm warning of the day. Good afternoon. I'm Stuart Moore.
And I'm Nancy Alvarez. Thanks for joining us. It's the week-long soaker that just won't stop. First warning meteorologist Tony Manalfi tracking what's in store for today. Tony.
And I tell you what, right now we're calling it an impact evening, Nancy, right through about 9 o'clock. We think that the breezes are going to be active, and they're going to stay active after sunset for a short duration. Biggest threat for me, though, is going to be the wind, it's going to be the hail, and it's going to be, again, some lightning in your area. There was a lot yesterday. Remember, we've had a couple of homes struck by lightning, so we want you to be mindful of that. One more time, up towards the Ocala Square. Boy, they got crushed just a couple of minutes ago, starting to clear out now. But there's more to the south and west, coming up the Turnpike near Wildwood. I want to take you up to northeastern Marion County, up towards Salt Springs. Big area of showers and thunderstorms. A little bit of a hail core trying to redevelop northeast of Salt Springs right now. A few showers over towards Oak Hill. And then as we press off towards the south and west, look at this big push of energy now coming right up 75 and the Turnpike right in there. I was just talking to some folks over there towards Wildwood. They said it's starting to come in, Tony. Winds are picking on up, and there is a good deal of lightning in that particular storm. East breeze right now is pushing right along the Brevard Osceola County line. And as that works in, we'll get the collision here between about 6 and about 8 o'clock tonight. Everything will drift back towards the north and the east. We are under a marginal risk for severe storms. That's a level 1 out of 5 for me. Again, the biggest impacts, the damaging winds, the hail, and some locally brief heavy rain that could easily add up to 2 to 3 inches of rain in a very short period of time. By the time we get to 10, 11 o'clock, things are winding down. It's going to be active again tomorrow. There are changes coming this weekend. I'm going to break all of that down for you straight ahead.